Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. In this movie, I'm going to import a contour plan from my Mojo device, and I'm going to create this site with the contours. So let's get started. I need to import my Mojo, which I've now exported as a DXF file. Here it is here, my Mojo export, so I'm going to import that. It's a DXF file. Now I know that it's using meters as my units, so let's place that. And there's my site. This is what I measured. I've exported the contours. I'm going to create a mesh, so I need to use the mesh tool, and I'm going to start here and I'm going to trace around my mesh, and I'm going to put in just the outline to start with, and there's my mesh. So select that mesh, click once, right click, display order, and send to back. That way I can see my contours through it. The next thing I need to do in ArchiCAD is to convert this part here, this DXF that I've imported. I need to convert this. The easy way to do this is to right click and explode into current view. If I explode this into current view, I'll end up with all the objects separated, which is what I really need. So we select the mesh, and I select the mesh tool, and then I can spacebar on each contour. So you'll notice that when I spacebar, it highlights the contour. Click. I'm going to fit to user ridges and OK. Then I'm going to do the next one, fit to user ridges, the next one, and so on. And I'm just going to do all of them until I get to the top contour. Now it's handy to have your Mojo next to you so that you can check the coordinates or check the elevations, because I need to, let's zoom in here, make sure I've got that one. Okay. So on my Mojo tool, I can go around to the corners and I can check the elevation of each corner. So I click there. Now if I look at my Mojo tool on my phone, I can see that that spot level is 48 millimeters. So 48 millimeters, but if this is above this project 0, so I'm going to use that. Click OK. Now the next one, I just need to go to my phone, tap on the next point. This is 35 millimeters. This corner was 0. So I can leave that at 0. Go to the next corner, tap on that corner that was 178 millimeters. And the top corner was 1134. Now I can start to put these in. So if I click on my mesh and I click on that contour line there, I can click on this contour. This was 100 millimeters. And I've chosen apply to all. It'll apply it to all of those nodes that you see there. Let's go to the next one. This is 200. The next one, 300. And I'm using the apply to all, so it applies it to all of the nodes on that contour line. So that's 400, and this is 500. And I'm just going to quickly go through and put them all in. And this is the last one, which was 1100. Now an easy way to look at this in 3D would be to right click on our mesh and show in 3D or show selection in 3D. And there's my mesh. And we can see, there it is there. I was a little bit out with this corner here, which I'm not going to worry about, but you can see I've now got my contours, and I could now build my house, and I could stick it on my mesh. And there's the heights. So if we go back to a plan view, there's my mesh and there are my contours. Thanks for watching.